Printing on either direct thermal or thermal transfer labels works great for any application calling for variable data, barcoding, and human-readable numbering. But it's important to understand the difference between the two types of thermal label technologies in order to use the right one for your business. Hi, I'm Caitlin, and today I'm here to explain the advantages and disadvantages of both direct thermal and thermal transfer printing technologies so that you can make an informed decision when you're acquiring a new printer or simply ordering new labels for the printer you already own. First, we'll take a look at the direct thermal process. Direct thermal printers use heat applied to the print head to trigger a chemical reaction within the direct thermal media, which causes the media to darken. Some costs can be saved by using direct thermal labels because you don't need to purchase ink, toner, or ribbon consumables. But there are some drawbacks and limitations to consider before deciding if direct thermal is right for you. One downside to direct thermal labels is that they are not scratch resistant. Additionally, the labels will darken over time when exposed to intense lighting and heat, making them hard to read and unsuitable for anything requiring a long-term label. Direct thermal is best suited for short-term needs such as shipping labels, receipts, pick labels, name tags, and visitor passes. Now let's take a look at how thermal transfer labels differ from direct thermal labels. Thermal transfer labels require a wax or resin ribbon in order to print. Heat is applied to the ribbon through the print head, which then transfers the image to the thermal transfer media. Some benefits to the thermal transfer labels are that the images are precise, durable, and scratch resistant, and ribbons come in a variety of colors so that you're not just limited to black ink. You might also consider ordering different colored labels, which are available in both direct thermal and thermal transfer. If your label needs require the label to last a year or longer, it's necessary to use thermal transfer labels. Asset tags, inventory labels, outdoor, and freezer applications are common uses for thermal transfer labels. If you're unsure as to whether your roll of labels is direct thermal or thermal transfer, you can do a quick test of media by scratching your fingernail across the label as if you're striking a match. If a dark mark appears when you scratch the roll of labels, then it's direct thermal. If no mark appears, then they are thermal transfer labels. Hopefully now you have a better understanding of direct thermal and thermal transfer labels and you can choose the right product for your business needs. Thanks for stopping by!